Hi everyone, I'm Mandy from Said With Love, and I want to show you my Sew Sampler box for this month. I have been getting these for quite some time now. I pay for them myself, so this review is completely unbiased, and I have been enjoying them quite a lot. So I'll show you all the good fun things that come up in each of the boxes, and I'll perhaps do a few videos of some of the previous boxes as well to show you some of the goodies. March Sew Sampler box. The scenic route. Oh, that's an interesting topic. Okay, the scenic route. We've got a coupon code for jelly rolls. So always like a good jelly roll. And that's my little pamphlet that shows me all the things that are in here. And oh my goodness gracious me, look at all the goodies. Okay, fabric first. Simply Delightful. It's a junior jelly roll, so 20 pieces in it, by Sherry and Chelsea. And that is pretty. Lots of nice bright colours. Sort of geometrics, little dots, bigger dots, orange peels and some flowers. So that's kind of cute. This cat thing, that just, what is that? A pin magnet. Ah, okay, so it goes on your sewing machine so you can quickly put your pins up there. Well, that's interesting. Oh, it's a suction. So let me try and get this out. Yep. Easier said than done. Let's go the other way. There we go. Cool. So it's got a suction thing. So you suction that onto your sewing machine, and that's where you put your pins. Again, haven't got any pins out here at the moment. But that looks fun. That's a bit of a cute notion. And gosh, what's this lovely teal coloured quilt strap carrier? If you're binding on the go or simply heading out for a picnic, don't forget the quilt strap carrier to safely secure your quilts while on the move. Okay, so it's nice and big. To use, fold and roll up your quilt. Simply slip the quilt strap carrier loops over both ends of your quilt and pull to tighten. I'm assuming in here. Okay, got it. Just took me a few minutes. That's because that pulled tight to pack it flat. So you're putting your quilt, rolled up quilt, in here, and then you've got the carrier. I might go and quickly grab a little quilt to show you how I think it should go. So here we go. I've got my quilt, and then I just pop one end in there, one end in the other. I can tighten those by just slipping them down. Same on the other end. And there I have my nice handle. Pop it over your shoulder. Work just as well with like a yoga mat or any of those sort of things as well. And quite big enough to hold. This is a reasonably small quilt, but you could have a big quilt in there. So that's fantastic. I'm in the midst of making a picnic quilt, so that's going to be lovely. And such a pretty colour. I love that teal colour, obviously. Okay, so what else is in our box? Pop that over there. What else is in our box? A self-erase marker. So an air erasable pen by the look of it. I love these. I use the Sewline ones all the time. But it also has an eraser on the other end as well. So they are fantastic. I love trying new different pens that don't leave marks. So it's always good to test and things. Now, what's this one? Gosh, this is a plethora of things in this month. Cut Right Bind Up tool, the fast and easy way to finish your binding with perfect mitered seams. Okay, cool. I don't quite know how to use that, but I'm sure there'll be some instructions. Yes, there's some instructions in there, and I'm sure there'll be a video showing how to do that. So that's a cool one. And what's the pattern for this month? It's called Easy Street. That's for our little jelly roll, or junior jelly roll. 48 by 48. The Simply Delightful 20-piece junior jelly roll. 7/8 yards background, 1 1/8 yard accent, and 5/8 for binding. That's kind of cute, nice, easy one. That'd be a lovely little baby quilt to do. Nice, easy sewing. Okay, the Bliss Quilt Along. So this was the last year's 12 months of blocks. And so this is the last block, block 12. And these are the setting instructions to how to put all the blocks together and finish it. So that's cool. Lovely, lovely. I'll have to get the rest of my Bliss cards for all the patterns and look at when I can get to making that. So I think this was a fantastic box this month. So many goodies. So many goodies. That little cap magnet, oh, not magnet, well, it is a magnet, but the suction cap for the magnet is awesome. I love the picnic quilt carrying thing. The amount of times I take a quilt out to do quilt photos out in the wild, very handy. Air erasable pen, always handy. Be interested to read up a little bit about this cut right bind up tool to sort of see how that works. If I get a chance, I'll do a quick video showing you that, and nice pattern as well. So that was a good month, March 2023. So sampler box.